see one question from J 2019 main. Young's moduli of two wires A and B are in the ratio of 7:4. Wire A is 2 meter long and has a radius R. Wire B is 1.5 meter long and has a radius 2 mm. If the two wires stretch by the same length for a given load, then the value of R is close to. Four options: 1.3 mm, 1.5 mm, 1.9 and 1.7. So let us first write the data. First step is you write the data. EA by EB is equal to 7/4. This is the first information. Wire A is 2 meter long. So LA is 2 meter and has a radius R. Okay? So RA is equal to R. Putting all steps so that you understand. Okay? Wire B is 1.5 meter long. Wire B is 1.5 meter long and has a radius 2 mm. So RB is equal to 2 mm. You have to be very careful with the units. Okay? You should be very careful about the units. If the two wires are stretched by the same length for a given load, then the value of R is. You have to find the value of R, and what is the condition given? They are extended. If the two wires stretch by the same length. Okay? Now this wire is 2 meter length and this is 1.5 meter length. Okay? So it is like this. So one wire is 2 meter, another wire is 1.5 meter. Okay? And they are both stretched up to same extent. Means this was stretched up to here and this was also stretched up to here. That is the meaning of it. Am I right? So this is 2 meter and let us say this is, we will say this is 1.5 meter and this is x and this is y. Okay? So can I say that 2 plus x is equal to 1.5 plus y? I don't know, let us think in a very crude and a very realistic. So this is 0.5 plus x is equal to y. This is what I am able to understand. Okay? Now you have to find so see, we need to understand what is the condition given here. See, this original length is, let us say, L1 and this is L2. L1 is extended up to L3. Even this is also extended up to L3 only. Am I right? Both are extended up to L3 only. If I take this as the reference line. Okay? Now, if I take the formula for E is equal to PL by A E. Right? But what is E basically? E is L3 minus L1. Am I right? Elongation is how much in the first case? It is L3 minus L1 is equal to P. What I need to put here? L1, right? Divided by, this is AA, correct? So this is what? So from here I know L1 and so they have given me the ratios. So similarly I can write the second equation for L3 minus L2, right, is equal to PL2 by A B EB. Can I write it like this? Up till here it is clear. Okay. L1 and L2 values are given to us. L1 and L2 values are given to us, and they are saying that the load is also same. Okay. So what are we supposed to find out? We are supposed to find R. Okay. Let me just put the values now. So, okay. L3 minus L1. What is L1? 2 meters is equal to P L1. L1 is 2 meters divided by AA and EA. I'm just putting the values, okay? And L3 minus 1.5 is equal to P into 1.5 by AB EB. Am I right? So this is my equation 1 and this is my equation 2. So let us divide and see. So I get L3 minus 2 by L3 minus 1.5 is equal to, now carefully see, P is common here, so P will be cancelled, okay? So this will be 2 divided by 1.5. 2 divided by 1.5 into, this will go to the numerator. So it becomes AB by AA, right? Multiplied by EB by EA. Right? So EB by EA we know from here, and AB by AA, here R is unknown and here L3 is also unknown. So we have to see if we can crack this part. See, if you further simplify this is how much? 1.5. So it is 3 upon 2. Okay. So 3 upon 2 means this becomes 4 upon 3. Correct? Multiplied by AB by AA. So because you are taking the ratio of areas only, you are taking the ratio. So what can I write? AB is pi r square, no? Area is pi r square. So it will be 2 pi r square. Okay? So it will be 2 divided by r square. Because basically I am taking in ratio of areas. And this is how much? This is 4 upon 7. The only thing is we are not able to know what is the value of L3 here. Okay? So L3 minus L2 by L3 minus 1.5. This is what we got. So you can simplify this. Now we have to see if I can get the value of L3. L3 is equal to 2 plus x. Okay? And L3 is also equal to 1.5 plus y. Right? L3 can be written in 2 ways. And because L3 was same, you got this expression. Right? So there are 2 unknowns, you can convert into 1 unknown. Because you see, this L3, how can I write? If I choose to write in terms of x, I can write L3 as 2 plus x. Am I right? Based on this diagram. Minus 2 divided by, this is in terms of y. I will convert in terms of x only. So I can write 2 plus x minus 1.5. Can I write it like this? Is equal to this much. Okay? So if you simplify this, okay, let me do it on the right side. 2 plus x minus 2, it becomes x divided by 2 minus 1.5, which is 0.5 plus x is equal to, this is 4 into 4, 16, into another 4, 64. 64 by 3 into 7, 21, 21 r square. So if you can solve this x, we can get the value of r. So let us read the question again properly. Let us see if any condition we are missing. यहाँ तक समझ में आया? इसको पूरा इसको घर पे जाके फिर से सॉल्व करो. मैं पहुंच गया यहाँ पर. We have to find the value of r. Now the r value depends upon this x. Okay? So two unknowns are there. Now let us see if we are missing any condition. If two wires are stretched by the same length for a given load, stretched by the same length. So they are stretched up to here. So this is your E1 and this is your E2. E1 by E2. तुमने E1 is equal to E2 ले लिया क्या? सेम अमाउंट. एक मिनट, मैंने यहाँ पे अलग अलग मान लिया इसको. तो अगर मैं दोनों को सेम मानूं, 2 मीटर प्लस x एंड 1.5 प्लस x, मैंने ये लाइन खींच दिया, बोल दिया कि ये x y y y, लेकिन दे आर एक्सटेंडेड बाय सेम अमाउंट. मतलब ये भी अगर x y तो वो भी x ही हुआ है. ठीक है? तो इसका मतलब क्या है? क्या है इसका मतलब? इलॉन्गेशन इज सेम, राइट? तो थोड़ा मैंने इसको जेई मेन का सवाल को एडवांस का प्रॉब्लम बना दिया, लेकिन बेसिकली इसमें दिया क्या है कंडीशन? कंडीशन दिया है E1 is equal to E2. ठीक है? He is trying to say that the extension is same. So here what happens? This divided by this becomes equal to 1. Okay? So this whole thing becomes equal to 1. Right hand side becomes equal to 1. So this becomes equal to 1. समझ में आ रहा है मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? मैंने खाली पहले जेई मेन के प्रॉब्लम को एडवांस का प्रॉब्लम बना दिया, जरूरत नहीं था. ये जो है ये पूरा चीज 1 है. तो 64 is equal to 21 r square. और करेक्ट है ये कैलकुलेशन? Am I right? So r square is equal to 64 by 21. Okay? So this is 21 into 3. 3 point something, no? It is 3.1, let us say. So root over 3.1. Root over 3.1 is what I am getting. What is the options given? 1.7, 1.5, 1.3, 1.9. Root 3 is how much? 1.7. It is 1.73 के पास में होता है. ठीक है? I am getting here root over 3.1 means it is very close to 1.7. Option D. Clear?